This is the lecture for the Crito, the last dialogue we're reading. There's nothing really to mention before you read it except, uh, I don't know, some people sometimes misread the dialogue. I'm not sure if any of you will be inclined to do this, but just to head off the possibility, to preclude the possibility. Uh, some people somehow sometimes misread the dialogue to be like a very authoritarian one, as if Socrates is saying, you always have to follow the law no matter what, and even if it's going to sentence you to death, you can't disobey or anything like that. That's, I mean, just straightforwardly not what he's saying. And there's at least two reasons for that. And uh, yeah, I'll just let you find them as you read. But like Socrates is not saying just follow the law no matter what. He sort of gives reasons for why you need to follow the law, and then those reasons don't always apply. And I guess that brings us to a larger issue too, which is this is a one of the early texts on the question of what we call political obligation, or political legitimacy. And the question is really, look, governments make laws that tell you what you have to do. If you don't follow the laws, sometimes you go to jail or you get fined or something like this. And there's a question, I mean, you have a prudential reason to follow the laws. It might be bad for you if you break the laws, but do you have any sort of moral reason? Is there any uh, actual reason that you ought to follow the laws apart from apart from that it will be good for you? Uh, and so there's this debate about this, and this dialogue is an entry into that debate, whether we sort of have moral reasons to follow the laws, and then really the question is not do you have moral reasons to follow the laws, but rather in what circumstances do you have moral reasons, if ever, and in what circumstances do you not have moral reasons, if ever, to follow the law.